If I got rejected from a journal without showing reasons, should I then directly contact with the editor-in-chief?
Okay, yeah, I got the point. Yeah, I got the point. Okay, yeah, this happens. Normally Science, Nature, sometimes they reject the paper. They don't give any comments. Normally, I don't like it because purpose of review is to get some feedback. Even the paper is rejected, if there are constructive comments, actually we can improve, and that basically will help us to improve it further. I like that, even the paper is rejected. But if paper is rejected without giving any comments, I feel very unhappy. But we also have to understand that because they are also human beings. Sometimes they are also busy people. To avoid their a lot of spending time, they don't give comments. In that case, we have to accept. But it is always, you can do in both ways. You can write it directly to the editor. Maybe we know what is the reason. You can directly write, okay? And maybe editor will give some additional reason. Okay, then it is good that at least you got some reason why the paper is rejected. Okay, if still editor maybe in some cases can ask, okay, you address these comments, you submit. Sometimes resubmission also allowed after addressing the comments. This is welcome, this is good. But if editor does not reply, if they don't entertain, I think it is always better you try to submit somewhere else. This is the reason, as I mentioned, you have to have alternative list of journals. Once rejected, you submit somewhere else. You can directly write to the editor-in-chief, or you can submit somewhere else. In either way. So yeah, this is only the possible answer. Sometimes maybe editor will reply, sometimes may not be. So if you see that if editor does not reply, after waiting 1 week, maybe you submit somewhere else.